Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to continue covering the Arbitrum Airdrop, why you need this NFT in order to get the airdrop. I'm going to tell you what is Arbitrum Odyssey. We are going to check again my videos about the other stuff that you need to do in order to get the airdrop probably, and we are going to know exactly step by step how you can get these NFTs. So I'm going to do it exactly in this video, so you don't need to think anything else. You just follow the steps and you will get the NFTs. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, you know that I have been doing a couple of videos about the airdrop for Arbitrum. Like you know, this is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. It's the second one biggest after Polygon. And I have been doing these airdrop videos because I want to give you the chance to make easy money without investing in anything. The airdrop for Optimism, which is a real competitor of Arbitrum, make millionaires guys in May and June of this year in the middle of a bear market. And I think the Arbitrum airdrop, it will be something similar to that. So please, you need to see these videos that I did, the Arbitrum Airdrop Guides step by step. This will tell you exactly how to follow all the steps that you need in the Arbitrum One layer. And I took a screenshot of all the process telling you exactly what you need to do. So it's super quick and easy. And also I just did a video of Arbitrum Nova. If this comes for the airdrop, I really think it's one of the things that they are going to check. So how to use Arbitrum Nova and what is Arbitrum Nova you can check in this video. So all those videos you can search it here in my YouTube page. You go to videos and you search for Arbitrum, you will find them. So in order to get the airdrop, I am very sure that you will need to do these two stuff. But now I think we need to go to Arbitrum Odyssey, another part of the ecosystem of Arbitrum for the community. So what is Arbitrum Odyssey? This is a multi-week initiative for exploring the Arbitrum ecosystem with exclusive NFTs as rewards. This is an article from Theron.io, I will put the link on the description. Well, he explained also another things, a guide of how to get the Arbitrum airdrop. Most of the things are already covered in my videos. I think this is the last thing that we need to know. Of course, not Arbitrum airdrop is promised, and of course guys, pay attention to that. We are speculative doing these actions in order to get the airdrop. I'm sure that it's going to be an airdrop, but we don't have officially the step by step and how they are going to do it. So what counts and what not counts. But it will make sense. All participants will be using Arbitrum and could later be easily identified through holding NFTs. So yeah, they can check the transactions that you did in Arbitrum ecosystem, but like Theron say, makes a lot of sense if you have the NFT, they can easily know who should get more rewards in this airdrop. The general idea is that each week there is a task, and you complete the task and later claim an NFT via Galaxe. We are going to check that. Keep in mind that even if you miss some deadlines, you can still do the task and all your actions will be recorded on chain. Even without the NFTs, these transactions may still count toward the airdrop of Arbitrum for eligibility. So what is this Arbitrum Odyssey? What is this Galaxe? Well, you need to go to galaxe.com/Arbitrum. And these three in the section of campaigns, these are the NFTs that you can earn. So the one that is for this video is the first one, enter the Odyssey. The Arbitrum Odyssey right now is paused. You need to follow that in the Discord of Arbitrum in order to know when it's going to be returned. You can see how the Blueberry Nebula NFT is paused and the arrival of the Penumbra is paused. The only one that was completed was this NFT entered to the Odyssey. If you click there, you can see the information, and don't freak out because the claimable period was in June, but even if you are seeing this video, you are going to have a way to get this NFT, and I will show you step by step how to do it. So who is eligible for this NFT? You need to click on this and you will see each of these options if you are eligible or not. But most of the things are things that you needed to do in June. So already passed it. So we are going to see how to get the NFT with another way that will count after. So what you cannot do is mint it right now, because all these things are already passed. Again, the Arbitrum Odyssey right now is in pause. We are going to resume that when the Arbitrum team say it. So for now, I'm going to tell you exactly what you can do to be ahead of everyone else. The Blueberry Nebula, you have here all the things that you need to do. If you click that, you will see that in order to get the Blueberry Nebula, you will need to do the 3 actions. Make a leverage trade on GMX.io, be a liquidity provider on GMX, and do a swap spot on GMX. So these 3 things you need to do in order to be able to get the Blueberry Nebula, which right now is paused. So when they resume the campaigns here, if you already do this, you will be able to mint this NFT and get it in your Arbitrum network. So nothing is impeding to do this already. So then when the Arbitrum Odyssey resumes, you will be able to do it. And the same happened with this one, the arrival of Penumbra. This is a little more tricky, but again, you can already do this. In order to get this Arbitrum Penumbra, you need to provide liquidity pool of $50 in appyieldprotocol.com. You need to lend 50 and you need to borrow 100. So doing this, you will be able to mint the Penumbra NFT. And again, nothing is holding you to do this. You can already go here and do this task. So as soon as they continue the Arbitrum Odyssey, you will be able to get minted instantly. But for now, these 2 are paused. So let's again go into the one that you can get. And this NFT is called Enter the Odyssey. This is the only one that the people have right now, no matter if you have been here from June, May or before. The only one that you have from the Odyssey is Enter the Odyssey. And again, because everything is paused, you cannot mint it anymore. But if you go to the guild, you will see that in one of the tags that you need to do, says here, participate in the Enter the Odyssey Galaxe campaign. So the only way to get this role is having actually this NFT. So that is why I am going to explain now, step by step, how to have it. Let's go into that. Guys, the only way to have it right now is if you buy it in some of the marketplaces of NFTs. For example, StratosNFT.io. You can go to collections and you can go to Arbitrum Odyssey. I will put the link on the description for this. And you can see that many people is selling here the minted NFTs of Enter the Odyssey. And you can see the price here is below $10. So actually it's really cheap if you want to bet on this. So first of all, you need to connect your wallet here. Be sure that this says Arbitrum One. Of course, you can select it from here. Connect your MetaMask. Once you are connected, you can go and click one of these ones. I will say one that you can buy directly instead of make an offer, and I think these ones owned by Durian, you can buy it instantly. So I will select one here, and then you can see make an offer or buy now. Instead of make an offer, we are going to buy at the current price. This is 0.0036 of Ethereum, so actually it's really cheap. I prefer to take the chance and spend those couple of dollars in order to get the NFT. So click on buy now, click on purchase NFT, confirm the transaction in your wallet, confirm. The status is processing, so you need to wait here. And then you can see here your purchase is complete. Your purchase is complete. So now you are here in the site. You can see that now says sell the NFT and it says owned by you. So it's super easy. The only thing that you need to have is Ethereum on your Arbitrum One network on your MetaMask wallet. If you don't know how to do that, you can go to my step-by-step tutorial, Arbitrum Airdrop Guide Step by Step, and there you can see how to bridge Ethereum from the mainnet to Arbitrum One, and then you will be able to come here into the StratosNFT.io marketplace and buy your NFT. So how you know that you hold your NFT? Again, you can go here into your account, you can go to NFTs, and you will see that you have your NFT here. And also, just to be completely sure, Let's go to the quiz again and let's see if checking this access. Now we have the NFT and that complete. You can see that we have that role now, the RB Naut. So complete at least one Odyssey task, participate in the Enter the Odyssey Galaxe campaign, and now I have access here because I have the access because I already bought the NFT and it's really cheap, guys. So I recommend you to do it with your account in order to participate here. And for the rest of the NFTs, these two NFTs, you can already start to make this task, the ones that require in order to get the NFT. And as soon as Arbitrum Odyssey resume, you will be able to mint it. So you will not need to buy it after. So guys, that is all for the video, super quick. With this street video, Arbitrum Airdrop Guide step by step, with the Arbitrum Nova comes for the airdrop video, and with the current video on the NFT needed for the airdrop, I think you have covered everything that you need for this airdrop. Of course, again, everything here is speculation. We don't have the official data, but guys, I know people that did $20,000 in the Optimism Airdrop. So why are you not going to take this small risk? You don't need to put much money. I actually did everything with a couple of dollars in my account on my MetaMask with Ethereum on Arbitrum One network and Arbitrum Nova. So you don't really need to spend much money, and neither you need to spend much time, because if you saw and if you see, my tutorials are really straight to the point. So with 3 videos you are set for the airdrop. Guys, that is all. Please share your love here, clicking the like icon. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And if this video has value for you, please share it in any social media that you have, so everyone else can take advantage of this. Guys, that is all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.